Okay, I decided to try one of my peaches since I just finished picking the plums and oh my gosh, they're ripe. So we're gonna we're gonna pick some peaches. That one's a little bit hard to get off, but okay, that one too. But oh my gosh, most of them are ripe. This is awesome. And they're small. I do need to I do need to thin them out next year. Ah, darn it. So that they would be bigger and prune. I lost a couple branches because it was too heavy, but I bet I won't lose any more. Ooh, that one's not ripe. Oh, look. Let's see. Now I'm concerned about this branch. These are really tiny. The branch is bending. My uncle propped it up for me, but that's a fly. It's a moth. But I don't think these peaches are going to be too good here. It's okay. I decided I am not making any, well, I don't think I'm going to make a peach cobbler or anything, but my daughter may say otherwise. Ooh, it's hot. Okay. Look at my peaches. Ooh, they smell so good. Honestly, I'm very surprised, and I say this out loud, that the birds didn't bother them this year. Last year, I had to. Did I drop one? I had to cover it up with the netting, but this year I didn't have to, which is good. So I haven't even gotten to my nectarines. That'll be the next thing. I just put the plums in the sink for me to wash, and you probably can't see up there, but I'm trying. I don't know how you guys like film by yourself. Right now I'm wearing a harness, but I don't know. Doesn't get every angle. Okay. So the rest I'm gonna let ripen. Yeah, that's not bad. Hmm. Don't know about that one. Ooh, this bowl is getting heavy. I could make a peach cobbler. I'm not. Ooh, I'm just gonna toss that one. I'm not gonna make a peach pie. Wait, is there such thing as peach pie? I think there is. Peach pie. Peach pie. I don't remember. Now, normally I get the ones that are on the ground too, but yeah, that one's toast. I don't really want to touch anything. All right. So I'm going to dump these peaches inside to wash, and then I'm going to tackle the nectarines. So perhaps the nectarines are ripe and that's why they're dropping on the ground, but this one's kind of hard. So I don't know. We'll see if we can find some that are ripe.